Is that you? Are you a boy or a girl?
Boy.
Boy. You color it? You finish color? Oh, what color? Yung girl?
Pink.
Oh, pero hindi ikaw yun, di ba po? Kasi si Carrie ay boy. Are you a boy?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, do you finish your name, ha? Okay. Oh, letter A, small a. Small a. A. A, siya po. A, oh. Small a. Ganyan, oh. Oh, letter T. Letter T na po. T. Ah, finish it na. Dali, darating na yung ice cream. Ito na. Letter L. Very good. Letter I. Very good. Ang dali, oh. Letter C. Small c. Small c. Dito po. Oh, letter O. Letter L. Very good. Oh, can I have? Oh, dali, oh. Hawak mo. Hawakan mo, dali. Papakita natin. Macy? Oh. Wow! You're very good?